Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Greenway Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Greenway Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in app.greenwaymortgage.com and make a search. The official page of Greenway Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the login page of Greenway Mortgage account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Greenway Mortgage account and tap on Login. Tick mark on the box that says so to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Greenway Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.